In this video, I will show you how to edit Shopify theme footer link. Let's get started. First, to do that, head over to your customize right here. And then once you have click on customize, it will open the Shopify editor that you have. So what you can do is you can just scroll down and here you can see the footer. Now you can just click on that. Or you can just scroll on your left sidebar right here and here you can see also the footer. So once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the actual editor of that footer. So you can change in here the color scheme and anything that you want to change. You can also put in your email sign up so you can hide that or you can also show it. So in here, beginning of links, you can enable follow on shop. So this is what it looks like. You can enable that. They can be able to follow your shop. You can also show in your social media icons if you have actually integrated your social media apps on your actual Shopify. Also in here the country region selector and also this language selector if you have enabled that. And as you can see right here, I have this PayPal right here. Now if I just hide this, it will disappear just like that. And you can also click on the show policy links right here in order to redirect them to the policy links that you have. And you can also edit out margins, tab padding, theme settings, as well as a custom CSS right here. So on theme settings right here, just head over and put in here the actual link of your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So for examples, just put in here a dumb YouTube right here, youtube.com how to vids. So for example, you can put that. And then you can select an image that you want for that. So for example, let's head over and select an image. Then I will just put in a sample image right here. So just upload your own image. I'll just put that in order for the sake of actual here. And as you can see, we have now a social media icon. And once you have saved all of these things right here, so let's head over and click on save. It will show itself on our actual website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.